Welcome to Exploring the Use of Gemini. Let's dive in and see what this amazing tool can do. Hey, super students, have you ever wanted a powerful computer tool that can answer questions, explain ideas, and help you create poems, stories, and reports? Well, you already have access to Gemini. Gemini is an advanced artificial intelligence system created by Google. It's designed to help people explore ideas and create content using words. Let's learn how to open Gemini. Follow these steps. 1. Open your web browser. That's the app you use to go online. First, you can head to google.com. 2. Click the address bar and type gemini.google.com. 3. Press enter or go. 4. You may need help from a grown-up to sign in using a Google account. Once you're signed in, you'll see a text box at the bottom that says, Ask Gemini. This is where you type your questions or instructions. Click the plus symbol next to the text box to open the tool set. This is where you can find Canvas, the place where you can create your own apps. Gemini works by analyzing your question and generating a response using patterns from information it was taught on. Let's try a few examples. You might type, "Do cats like laser pointers?" Gemini provides a clear explanation you can read and think about. It's helpful for understanding ideas, learning new words, or reviewing school topics. Gemini can also generate creative text when you give it instructions. Try typing, "Write a short, funny poem about a unicorn who loves pizza." Or, "Write a short story about an alien who visits Earth to learn how to play soccer." Important reminder, Gemini is a computer system, not a human. It can sometimes give incorrect or incomplete information. Always check important facts with a teacher, parent, or trusted book or website. Now let's look at a powerful Gemini feature called Canvas. Canvas is a writing and planning workspace. It lets you work on longer projects, like reports, stories, or study guides, while Gemini helps you organize and improve your work. But that's not all. Under Canvas, students have the very special ability to create their own apps and be developers for real. Imagine building your own tools. Let's say you're writing a report about sea turtles. You can type, "Create an outline for a school report about sea turtles." Canvas keeps everything in one place. You can write your report, edit it, and ask Gemini to help with spelling, grammar, or organization. Getting ready for a test? Try this. Create a 5-question practice quiz about the planets in our solar system. Canvas helps you plan, practice, and revise, using Gemini as a support tool for your own decision-making. Gemini is a powerful learning and creation tool. Use it to explore questions, draft stories, study for tests, or organize big school projects using Canvas. Remember this important rule. You are in charge. Gemini responds to your ideas, but your thinking, curiosity, and judgment matter most. Go ahead and type your first question. What would you like to learn or create today? Here are a few important rules for using Gemini responsibly. Rule 1. Use Gemini as a learning tool to help you brainstorm and organize, but it does not replace your own thinking or your own voice. Rule 2. Always think and check. Before using information from Gemini, check books or trusted websites. Rule 3. Do your own work. Gemini can help you start, but final answers must be in your own words. Follow school rules about AI use. Rule 4. Do not share personal information. Never type your full name, home address, phone number, or school passwords. Rule 5. Ask for adult guidance. If Gemini gives confusing or unsafe content, pause and ask a teacher or parent for help. Smart choices and adult guidance keep technology safe and helpful. Have fun exploring. Thank you for joining us today. Now go out there, explore Gemini, and build something amazing.